Hello everyone, it's Elle and HomeGoods has some beautiful furniture and decor for the spring and for months to come that are absolutely fabulous. But I am looking for those pieces that help give my home a curated look and it's not too trendy. So there are some pieces that I highlighted, just a few for you, and I hope you enjoy, and then you can take the store tour. I love shopping for home decor, and when I find gems like these cane accent tables that are not trendy and help to give a home a curated look, I have to grab them. These are running for only $99 at HomeGoods, but online and in furniture stores, they go from anywhere from $130 all the way up to 300 and something dollars. So, again, I had to put them in my cart. Check out HomeGoods and see if they have them online or in your local home goods store. Look at these stunning lamps from Decor. HomeGoods are carrying them for $89.99, but they are a West Elm and CB2 dupe. And you can revamp these later on. They have this concrete look to them, and you can paint it another color and possibly change the lampshade to give it a whole new look. So it's not a one and done piece. These really look nice in the home and make a great statement. I had to highlight these counter stools, which are subtle but sleek. They are just right and don't compete with the other chairs in your home, especially if you have an open floor plan. Sometimes we have so many chairs that we don't know where to sit or what to look at, but these counter stools can really tuck under your kitchen island, and they really do simplify a space, but yet it gives it a uniform look. Now here is a beautiful piece of furniture that I absolutely love. Why? Because it is on trend right now, but it's not trendy. This desk or console table will last a lifetime and it's interchangeable. This piece is definitely going to serve its purpose for storage as well. You can put those stools underneath it, ottomans, really lovely piece. And it's going online for 300 and something dollars. I've seen it for $2,000, a really good piece to have. And last but not least, I definitely had to highlight this cane cabinet that you can style in so many different ways. You can find another one and push them together, or you can put it in a corner for a nice accent entryway table or mid-entryway table. This is definitely a piece, if you see it, to think about. Other furniture stores online carry them for a bit more. So I think this is a really good deal for a cabinet with this type of structure and material. Okay, lovely people, those are my top picks for this home good trip. I truly hope you enjoy the rest of the store tour. I truly appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you soon. And just in case I forgot to mention this earlier, there are some really great finds in this HomeGoods located in Richmond, Texas.